finds a good thing and obtains favor from God. I know, Your Majesty, that your life has been full of favor. We sat one day, I'm privileged to call His Majesty my friend. He can call me for a chat, for a discussion. So he told me about his life story. And I know that he has already had a lot of favor from God in his life. But today, I think that favor is going to be even more now that you have your wife by your side. His Majesty is a very, very down-to-earth and humble person. If you did not know, if you met him somewhere, maybe outside Uganda, you would not know that he's a king. He behaves in a very, very humble and ordinary way. That is very special. We're special to have a person like him. We're favored to have a person like him in the country. He is also a very progressive person. He has a lot of ideas for his kingdom and for the country. And we usually share quite a bit together. There are other things I can discuss about him, but maybe in his own time, he will reveal them if he wants to. I will end by saying that on behalf of my wife Charlotte, who accompanied me, and our family, we would like to give His Majesty and the Queen 10 cows from... If a friend gives you a cow, he now graduates from being a friend to part of the family. So when you're ready, Your Majesty, please come and receive your cows. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. May I now have the singular honor to invite the person I call my young brother, Thomas Tayebwa, the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, to address us.